I realize this is not my normal content, but I was recently watching some CES videos and some of them had some background noise. And there's a couple of really easy ways to remove that. So I thought I would share some of them here. The easiest way would be using podcast.adobe.com/enhance, but the free version has some limitations. The other way to do it would be using Nvidia Broadcast, Voicemeeter, and Audacity. Now, if you don't have an RTX card, you'll have to watch a YouTube video on how to get Nvidia Voice working without RTX, but that's pretty easy to do. Just have to watch a video on it. Now here, I've made a short video with some background noise problems. Okay, so this is an audio test. I'm just going to see if you can hear me with all this background noise like it would be in a convention. So first, we're going to import that into our video editor of choice because we need to change it into an MP3 or a WAV. So we're just going to look for the export of MP3 or WAV. Here I have a WAV. So now I'm just going to move the video file on and then export it. And that will be how I turn it into a WAV file, which we can then upload to the website. So here we get to pick the file and then it will export and clean it up. So now it's just processing. I've sped this up and now we can download it. And there I sped that up too. So now we're just going to unlink and remove the old audio off the old video clip. And now I'm going to grab the new enhanced audio and we're going to put that in place. Okay, so this is an audio test. I'm just going to see if you can hear me with all this background noise like it would be in a convention. So we're just going to, maybe let's add some mechanical noise. And it seemed to work really good there. Now, if we're going to do the Nvidia way, we need to get Nvidia Broadcast. It has two options. You can clean the audio on a microphone or on the output speakers. Here we need to make sure we have Voicemeeter input as the input. Voicemeeter is an impressive piece of software that lets you manipulate your audio, changing like different microphones and going in and out. So you can do a lot of stuff. And here we're going to use Audacity for the recording aspect of this. And on the PC audio, we need to go and tell the PC that we want to output to Nvidia Broadcast so that we're going from the PC to Nvidia Broadcast and then from Nvidia Broadcast into Voicemeeter and then Voicemeeter goes into, so it's just a chain. And we need to, reassure that you have the right Voicemeeter. We can just make sure noise removal is enabled. Now in Audacity, we need to go and confirm that we're using Voicemeeter out B1. Here is Voicemeeter. Now I accidentally left a mic on, so I have a bit of extra background noise, which we will remove later, but I didn't notice that at the time. Now we want to check and make sure we have both A and B for the main PC audio. That way it's being recorded and going to your headphones. Test. I'm just going to see if you can hear me. Okay, so now we're just making sure everything's working. So I'm going to start the audio in Audacity to make sure it's working. And now we're going to restart the video. We'll edit off this part at the beginning, but we have everything working. So now we're just going to start this recording. And then we're going to have to watch it do a full playthrough. And you'll notice in my video recording here, the audio still has the background noise, but that's just because what you're actually getting recorded is the original audio from the PC that is going into Nvidia as opposed to the what's coming out. So that is irrelevant, but you'll hear at the end, the final product does sound perfect. Now we'll just fast forward here and get past all the rest of this. There, now we can stop the audio. Okay, so now we had left that mic on, so we have a bit of background noise, so we're just going to clean that up. So we're going to select some offending audio here. We're going to play it a bit just to see what the noise level's at. And then we're going to go into effects and we're going to go down to noise removal. We're going to click the noise removal thing. Now we remembered what the noise level was at and we're going to put that number in down here. And then once we've done that, we're going to get noise profile. So now it's got the noise profile. So now we're going to go back in there. Well, first we've got to select it. Then we have to go back in and find that same spot where Now we can hit OK at the bottom, and it's going to do the noise reduction. Because first we had to catch what the noise was. Now we're doing the noise reduction. Now I'm just going to trim up the ends, removing that end there. Now we're going to go back and get rid of that first start where we were just testing things out. There we go. Now we just need to export this as MP3 or WAV, and then import that back into our video editing software, making sure all the settings are right. Now back in the video editing software, I'm going to put the original video, and then I'm going to put the different audio options. You can do this with pretty much any video software I'm aware of. I prefer HitFilm, so that's what I'm using. Just lining those up. Now we can test the different ones here, but every time I click, my video software pauses, so I'm going to have to hit play again every time. Okay, so this is an audio test. I'm just going to see. Okay, so this is an audio test. I'm just going to see if you can hear me with all this background noise like it would be in a convention. So we're just going to, maybe let's add some mechanical noise here. And let's see, okay, maybe a bit of a drill, but I don't know what the chances. So let's hear. There's people talking in the background. The Adobe one sounds a bit better because they're also running some algorithms to make it sound like you're in a studio, but you can also get that with just using EQs and things. So we're just going to do it. Maybe I'll do a bit of this here. See if you can hear me over that. That's really noisy. I can't hear myself. Okay. So I'm trying to have a conversation with somebody, like I was in a convention, and we're just testing to see here. Okay, gonna add some drill again, see if you can hear me over the drill. This is a drill, I've got it going, it's making noise. That's great. Now, got lots of people talking in the background. I'm going to turn my ratchet, see if you can hear that while I'm talking. That's perfect. And there we go. I hope this helps and you can clean up your audio when needed. The main issue with this is if you have sounds in the background you want to keep, then it will remove them and you have to add them back in later. Now I just need to decide which audio was my favorite, and then I can export the video with that one and it will sound much better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.